Welcome to this integrative breathwork practice for emotional balance. Before we begin, find yourself a comfortable position, seated or lying down, where you feel supported and at ease. You may wish to have a blanket, a cushion, or anything else that helps you to settle. The purpose of this breathwork practice is to help you to create space for your emotions, regulate your nervous system, and restore a sense of balance. We'll be using gentle, continuous breathing, with the option to breathe through your nose or through your mouth, whichever feels most comfortable for you. This is your space to explore what's present for you, with curiosity and kindness. There's no right or wrong way to experience this. But if you notice any discomfort, distraction, or emotion, it's perfectly normal. Just notice and allow yourself to adjust the practice as needed. Let's begin by settling in and preparing to connect to your breath. Allow your hands to rest on your abdomen or on your heart, whichever feels most supportive. Allow the eyes to close or the gaze to soften. Take a moment to notice the weight of your body, the support beneath you, and the gentle rhythm of your natural breath. And then we'll practice the two ways of breathing to settle in. First, take a few slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. Inhale fully, feeling your ribcage expand in all directions, the front, the sides and the back, as if you are filling a balloon beneath your ribs. Notice the gentle outward movement, not just your torso, but around your entire ribcage. Exhale naturally and slowly through your nose, allowing the breath to leave your body without force, relaxing the body a little more with each breath out. Notice the sensation of the breath at the tip of the nose, the coolness as you inhale, the warmth as you exhale. And then we'll try a few breaths in and out through your mouth. Inhale fully and expansively through your mouth, breathing in fully as your body expands. Exhale naturally through your mouth, feeling your breath leave the body in a steady stream. Notice if the breath feels any different, perhaps lighter or more spacious. Choose the style that feels most comfortable and supportive for your body. Nose or mouth breathing. Both are welcome in this practice, and feel free to switch between nose breathing and mouth breathing at any point you wish. If the practice starts to feel uncomfortable or too intense, please slow down your breathing, come back to breathing through the nose, and lengthen your exhalation. So before we begin, let's set a gentle intention for this practice and repeat this intention silently in the mind. I am here to create space for my emotions, to breathe with kindness and to allow balance to return. And then imagine your breath as a gentle tide, rising and falling, always returning to shore. And then we'll use a gentle, continuous breath, breathing in and out through the nose or the mouth, with as little pause as possible between each inhale and exhale. Breathing in a circular fashion, with no break in your breathing, no break in your awareness. Inhale smoothly and fully, feeling the expansiveness of each breath in. And as you exhale, exhale gently, allowing the breath to flow out naturally in a steady stream, connecting one breath to the next, like gentle waves rolling onto the sand. With each inhale, inviting calm and spaciousness. And as you exhale, let go of tension and heaviness. Then allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythmic flow. Breathing fully, breathing expansively, and letting go naturally of every exhalation. Imagine your breath as a stream, softly winding its way through your body, clearing away debris and nourishing every cell. And as you breathe in, feel that stream gathering energy. And exhale, feeling it flow onwards. There is no rush, only the gentle, continuous movement. Now I invite you, if you wish, to pause the breath for a moment. Only if this feels comfortable for you. After your next exhale, pause the breath until you are ready to receive your next breath. Pausing just long enough to notice the stillness. And then noticing what sensations or emotions are present for you right now. Where do you feel them in your body? And when you are ready, return to your gentle, continuous breath. And as you continue to breathe, allow the breath to deepen, creating more momentum. Allowing the breath to flow smoothly, freely, and easily. And as you inhale, imagine drawing in light or warmth. And as you exhale, imagine releasing anything that feels heavy or burdensome. Allow your breath to be a gentle current, carrying you through whatever arises. If emotions surface, let them be leaves floating on the stream. Notice them and allow them to drift onward. And as you next exhale, I invite you to pause the breath for a few moments. Place a hand on your heart if you wish and offer yourself a silent phrase. It is okay to feel. I am safe to feel. I am here for myself. And when you are ready, return to your flowing breath. And then slowly allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. If you are breathing with your mouth, come back to breathing through the nose. Noticing any shifts in your body, your mind, or emotions. And with each breath in, inviting balance and calm. And as you exhale, release what no longer serves you. And then I invite you to reflect upon the following questions. What message or insight is your breath offering you today? How can you carry this sense of balance with you into the rest of your day? And as you come back to full awakened consciousness, taking some deeper breaths, inviting some movement as you wiggle the fingers and the toes, stretching, twisting, and moving the body in whichever way feels good for you right now. Take one final full breath in, pause at the top of the inhale, then open the mouth and sigh it away. And when you are ready, gently opening your eyes, coming back to full awakened consciousness. And thank you for taking this time to practice with me today.